So guys, we were lied to. They lied to us. Remember when earlier this week, everyone all around the country was marching and seeking justice for Kwekwe just because one of the suspects in the matter, which is the principal of that school, refused to take DNA test. And then later on the day, we were told that the principal had taken the DNA test. That was all lies, man. That was all lies. Apparently, it's the minister of the South African police who lied to us. He told us lies. A Minister Senzo Mchunu, he lied to us because the principal never taken or never took any DNA test, man. I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed. I don't know why they're lying to us. I don't know why they're doing this, but man, it's so disappointing. It's so disappointing because even on Friday, we got some news. There were news circulating stating that the DNA test result of the principal came back negative. So the principal was no longer a suspect. I don't know who was driving that. I don't know why they're lying to us. I don't know why they keep telling us fake news about all this. But man, it's so sad. Here's the video of someone explaining this whole thing. It is so disappointing.
See, utata kaXoxe then advised us into yokuba le case njengoba i-stagnant nje makuzanywe into yokuba makuthathwe i-DNA test kuwo wonke amadoda that were in contact nomntwana on Monday and Tuesday. Wathi ke uzawuba ngowokuqala ukuyithatha leyo DNA. U-MEC Gade ebelapha last week nge-31st uvelile ngose-TV ukuba uyasideregister isikolo, when actual fact they were clearing issues that the Department of Education naye engakhange wenza umsebenzi. But then before kulungiswe le nto, he decided to say unikeza notice to deregister the school. A week later, the MEC rescinds that decision. Uthi ke ebefuna uprincipal ahambe ayothatha i-DNA. Uminister uyavela uthi i-DNA zika-principal zithathiwe. Mhlawumbi bebefuna ukuba i-voices because the country was like only yesterday when a brigadier and station unit commander told Mama kaXoxe ukuba actually the DNA ka-principal was never taken.
Bullshit!